everybody. Welcome to another episode of Improve Again. I'm your host, Caleb Steele, and I'm here with my super good pal, Taylor Meacham. Introduce yourself. Tell us everything about you.
Well, I was born, and that's the story of my life. Howdy.
No, that's great. Perfect. Do you ever get like hungry?
Sometimes.
And you're just
Sometimes I get very hungry.
And so that's what this is. It's an Oreo stuffed crescent roll. So
delicious.
Literally 2 ingredients, and that's it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started.
Great.
So the first step, Taylor, is we're gonna open our crescent rolls.
Love it. Okay.
We're gonna race though.
Spoon. I need a spoon. I need a spoon to open this thing.
3, 2, 1, go. Basically, if you hit it on like a hard surface right on the corner, it pops it open. Okay, so next thing we're gonna unravel it.
Oh, I'm ruining this. Hold on.
No, we're gonna like fold it up. It's okay. This is something that you do when you're like, I don't know. Let's say it's like Friday night. You're hanging with your friends and you're feeling good. Oh my god, you did ruin it. What did you do? What did you do? You had one job, which was unroll. I am filled with so much regret now.
You know,
like I'm not a baker, but I can unroll a thing of crescent rolls without destroying it and everything it loves.
I think I need to move on to the next step.
Okay, once you do that, it's gonna be your ratio is 1 Oreo cookie to 1 crescent roll.
Can I put 2 in 1?
You can.
2 Oreos and 1 crescent roll?
You can eat 1 if you really want to. Now, 1 roll of crescent roll, 1 tin of crescent rolls has 8 crescent rolls, so I use 2 crescent roll tins, so we're gonna do 2 times 8
Yes.
is
16.
Boom. Math. That's right, folks. We're cooking. We're doing math. We're hitting stuff. We're eating Oreos. Now, you can do this with just like a bowl and just crush them by hand. You can just crush them by your hand, but today I'm just gonna be lazy and I'm just gonna do 4 process there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
So your inspiration from this came from a dire need of hunger.
We're like hanging out one night.
You and Jody?
Me and Jody and a couple other friends.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, when you're just hanging out with your friends and you're just like, hanging.
Yes.
And we're like, dude, we're so hungry. We had the munchies, and before I came over, I prepared, like, I'm gonna bring stuff. And literally, all I brought was like Oreos, and I happened to have a can of crescent rolls because, fun fact, Oreos are vegan. I should have said this earlier in the thing, I guess. So Oreos,
yeah, I'm watching this video, it's like, what are you doing?
Like, that's Oreos! No, Oreos are vegan. They're part of that accidentally vegan thing. Oreos, they don't say it on there, but there's a whole thing of like accidentally vegan.
Explain that, what's accidentally vegan?
It's where like, it's not a vegan product, but it happens to be vegan on accident. It's pretty self-explanatory. And also crescent rolls, surprisingly enough, also are accidentally vegan.
Right.
So I was like, well, both these things are vegan and they're both delicious. Like, what if I baked crescent rolls, but I put Oreos inside of it? And so I spent like an hour just like crushing up Oreos into like a paste. Mm-hmm. It took way too long. So I'm just gonna use a food processor.
That's what we're gonna do here. We're gonna crush this into a paste.
Yeah, we're gonna crush it into a paste. So we're just gonna pulse. Basically, you just want it like,
yeah, it's like
homogenized. I use that word in every single cooking show.
What's that stuff that you put on top of dirt? You know, like on ice cream and stuff when you...
Dirt?
Yeah, not like real dirt.
Were you like bullied as a kid?
It looks like dirt.
You know,
it looks like fresh soil.
You know when the kids would like, put dirt on your ice cream to make you eat it. This is it. This is it. So next step is really simple, right?
No, I'll lend that extra hand.
We're gonna take your crescent rolls, right? That are now all stuck together. This is improv, folks. We don't actually plan these out. All right, so you're gonna take your little crescent roll triangles, and then you're gonna scoop. There's a little cookie scoop thing there. That's not it. That's fine. You're just gonna scoop a little bit. Just scoop some into the center, like so.
Here, I'll trade with you.
It's okay. I don't need that. I don't want it. I don't want it anymore. I don't want it. I don't need you. Okay. A whisk? I have so much regret. And then you're gonna like fold it together and you're gonna make this little pastry thing. And you kind of fold it together.
Yeah.
And there's no like, you don't have to like be super like precise about it. And that's it.
It's like a little dumpling.
Yeah, it's like an Oreo crescent roll dumpling.
Oh, that's great.
And that's it.
Can I try one?
Yeah, we're both gonna start doing it.
Oh, awesome.
Oh my gosh. Why are you so bad at this? Well, you're tearing it. I worked really hard on that one. That didn't turn.
I think that was mine.
No, that was 100%.
Definitely not.
Okay, so if you got any leftover Oreo dust, throw those on top because you don't want to waste Oreo dust.
Now, when you put this in the oven, I guess the cookie is not going to melt. But if you had more of the filling, does that melt and get soft?
Yeah, it's gonna like soften up a little bit. This is it last time. I don't know, we'll find out.
Nice.
So we made all of our Oreo crescent roll things. I think that's what I'm gonna call it. Oreo crescent roll things. Vegan Oreo crescent roll dessert things. And
Oreos.
you have to one up me. Okay, so we made it and we are going to put them in the oven for like 5 or 7 minutes. Until because we don't need to cook the Oreos because they're already cooked. You just want to cook the crescent rolls. So until they get like a nice like golden brown, like a crescent roll brown. My favorite crayon.
Crescent roll brown.
Crescent roll brown was my favorite crayon color.
I feel like wasn't corn dog brown your favorite?
No.
Crayon
You're
color?
remembering wrong. It's a crescent roll brown.
I don't know what I've been watching.
I don't know what you've been watching either. Google, set a timer for 7 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 7 minutes. Taylor, set a timer for 7 minutes.
Got it.
Wait, I heard it. So our crescent rolls are in the oven. We're gonna wait 5 to 7 minutes until they're ready. And we're not gonna edit any of this, and so you're just gonna watch us stand there awkwardly for 5 to 7 minutes. I'm really bored. Okay, great. Crescent rolls are ready to be taken out of the oven. It's been approximately 5 to 7 minutes. Look at these. Okay, so that's it. That's it. We're literally done. I know, it's great.
Smells delicious.
Yeah, and it's gonna look even better. So that's so simple, super easy, smells great. Impress your friends and get your munchie on.
Bring it to, what can we use these for? Bring it to potlucks.
Bring it to potlucks.
Weddings.
Or you can just make them by yourself at home and eat them while you're watching Netflix.
Yep, when you're all alone. How long do we have to wait for these to cool?
I don't know, they're pretty cool already. Alright, so I gathered every single person I know in my life, and this is all my friends, and the only people who talk to me, but one of them's married. I will let you find out who it is. And Gabe has to be. Oh, there's another one! Okay, so I gathered every single person I know in my entire life to come try this delicious dessert, so everyone dig in. Why are you laughing at me? Oh yeah. That's really good. Okay, thanks for joining in. Join us next time when we cook something else that's most likely gonna be vegan. I'm just kidding, it's all gonna be vegan. But I don't know when this episode is gonna fall in the order of things, so
April Fools!
April Fools! Okay, thanks.